In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscriptions and recurring payments for your website in just 5 minutes. Setting up a subscription service on your site is a fantastic way to generate consistent revenue and offer continuous service to your customers. To get started, we'll be using PayPal, a trusted platform for managing payments efficiently. First, make sure you're on the PayPal homepage. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. This will redirect you to the login page where you'll need to enter your registered email address and password. After inputting these details, click login to access your account dashboard. From your dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and find Business Tools. Click on it to see a drop-down menu of various options. Here you want to select Subscriptions. Clicking on Subscriptions takes you to a page dedicated to setting up subscription plans. Next, you'll find a Get Started button, which you'll need to click on to commence the setup process. Once you've done that, look for the option to Create Plan. By selecting this, you're beginning to build the framework of your subscription offering. At this stage, you'll be required to enter the details of the product or service you're offering. This includes key information like the product name, a brief description, an identifying product ID, and the type of product, whether it's a physical good, a digital service, or something else. Clearly defining these will help you maintain clarity and organization. Once you've filled out this information, the next critical step is to choose a payment schedule. You'll have the flexibility to set either a fixed or a variable amount for your subscriptions, and you'll also decide on the billing cycle, which could be monthly, quarterly, or a time frame that suits your business model. After you've meticulously set up these details, look for the option to Save Draft. This is a great way to ensure you don't lose any progress if you decide to make adjustments later. However, if everything looks good and you're ready to launch, you have the option to click Turn Plan On. This activates your subscription plan. Lastly, you'll want to integrate this plan into your website. PayPal provides you with an HTML code specifically for a subscribe button. Adding this code to your website will allow customers to seamlessly subscribe to your services directly through your site. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up a subscription service that runs smoothly and efficiently through your website. Remember, PayPal integration ensures secure and reliable transactions, offering you and your customers peace of mind. Happy subscribing!